Good evening. Today is March 17th. Popping in to show you what I did for dinner. I have some field peas here, snaps, some rice, and some Indian curry chicken with potatoes. Sorry I did not vlog the cooking process because I'm tired. It's broad daylight and I'm thinking I'm doing good and it's 7 o'clock. I thought I would have dinner out early today, but time change has obviously gotten to me. But basically chicken, there's legs, curry spices, onion, the potatoes, half coconut milk, and half tomato. And so you just basically cook it down until it gets to the consistency that you want it to. And that's it. And start it out with just a little bit of oil in the pan to get it to start to brown, and then put the liquid in. So I'm started it as nice and thick gravy consistency. So guys, enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.